Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Ed. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to log Binance app. First of all, you can open the Binance application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. And here you can just simply tap on the arrow icon that is right side of the screen that is next to your profile picture or user ID name. And here you can just simply go to the third option that is security, tap on it. And here you can now just simply scroll down. You can see the option auto lock in the account activities section, tap on it. And here you can just simply tap on immediately, and it is a way you can log Binance app if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.